my channel. This is Dr. K and I'm back with another topic. This video is all about DIY teeth whitening techniques and if they really do work or not. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in. First, let's talk about the most commonly used product to whiten teeth. It's none other than baking soda. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and it also helps to remove stains that are formed on the teeth. I'll show you how you can use baking soda to whiten your teeth. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup and add few drops of water to it. Make a paste out of it and dip your brush in it and use it to clean your teeth, but no more than 2 minutes. Things you should keep in mind while using this DIY paste is that it's mildly abrasive and it does not have fluoride, which is required to protect your teeth from cavities. You can have whiter teeth but not at the cost of compromised oral health. So it is better to use it once or twice a week. And I should mention that it may work for some and may not work for others, and the results may not be quite promising. And next comes turmeric. Turmeric has a lot of benefits, like it is anti-inflammatory, it is a powerful antioxidant, helps in healing wounds and also boosts immunity. Turmeric is a very good agent to treat underlying oral conditions, but it isn't something that will help you to whiten your teeth. Again, it doesn't have any fluoride, so brushing with it may leave your teeth vulnerable to dental problems. Next up, we have lemons. Lemons are highly acidic and their pH is about 2. Never think of the idea of mixing lemon with baking soda or salt to whiten teeth as shown on internet, as it causes irreparable damage to your teeth. Citric acid in lemons is highly acidic that erodes teeth, destroying the enamel and making your dentin visible. Dentin is yellowish when compared to enamel. In fact, by using lemons, you're making your teeth more yellowish. Please never use lemons in any DIYs to whiten your teeth. And even while taking a lemon juice or something, it's advisable to take it through a straw. Next is salt. Salt, which is technically called sodium chloride, has a lot of health benefits, like balancing electrolytes and a great source of minerals, regulates blood pressure, and also has antibacterial properties. You can even clean your teeth with salt to whiten them, but the results are not really great. After using salt to clean your teeth, make sure that you rinse off everything from your mouth. And then comes charcoal. There are a lot of products having charcoal, especially activated charcoal, available in different forms like powders and toothpaste. Activated charcoal does help in removing extrinsic stains like the stains formed due to tea, coffee, wine, etc. You can use charcoal toothpaste but not in excess, as they're quite abrasive and may damage your enamel. And finally, coming to hydrogen peroxide, this is a really great whitening agent. Even dentists use this at clinic to whiten teeth, but it must be used with care, as when ingested it might have toxic effects. If you really want to try DIYs at home, it is advisable to use lower concentrations of hydrogen peroxide. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide in a bowl and make a paste. Apply it to your teeth and brush with it no more than 2 minutes. Again, this DIY paste does not have fluoride to protect your teeth, so it is better to use once or twice a week. The results are not great when compared to that of teeth whitening done at dentist's office. All these DIY teeth whitening techniques can help to remove extrinsic stains, that is stains formed due to tea, coffee, wine, etc. but cannot remove intrinsic stains, that is stains due to fluorosis, tetracycline, etc. Please do check with your dentist before trying any of these whitening techniques. So finally, my advice is that you can try some of these DIYs at home, but the results are not promising and not as good as that done at dentist's office. Be careful while using these DIYs. Use right portions for right amount of time and do not overuse the DIYs. And finally, do not put the health of your teeth at stake. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video informational. If you have any doubts, do comment below. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week. Until then, keep smiling. Bye-bye.